Hello. What feeding system am I using here? Well, this is free range system where you get to put goats where you want them to feed. Then they feed on whatever is there. By far, it's the best feeding system because they get to eat a lot of different plants. That means they take in a lot of nutrients, different types of nutrients. The only disadvantage of a free range system is when the dry period comes, you might have a difficult time because there will be little or no food. That might force you to supplement food for the goats. But all in all, still the best feeding system for the goats.